welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day or a starry night. Today, in this video, I don't know, we're just gonna be doing a random normal video. So yeah, let's get into the video. Amaya, are you finally reading that book? Yeah, I didn't want to read it, but now it really seems interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna read it. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm so tired right now. I am so tired. I'm just gonna go to bed. But why you have it so much? I know. Okay, go pass the ball. Okay, I'll go get it. Eesh. Thank you, boy. You're welcome, Daddy. Oh, I think I hear my phone ringing. I'm gonna go to get it. Oh, okay. Let me take it. Hi. Oh, is it? Hi, boss. Wait, you need me to come to work right now? But I'm playing with my kid. I'm playing with my kid right now. He's my adopted son. Please. Please just let us play a little bit. Okay, bye, boss. Kiddo, I'm gonna have to go to work. What? But you just started playing with me. I know. My boss told me that it's important and I need to do it. Oh my god. Okay, fine, Daddy. Let me just go get ready for work, I guess. The car keys and I got my bag. So let's just go into the car. Daddy, please stay. I'm sorry, kiddo, but I need to go to work. Okay, I'll stay here and wait for you. I'll just play with the ball by myself. Okay, bye. Bye. Let me go to the car. Okay, let's just get this car. Open the car. There we go. It's opened. Now I'm just gonna go, I guess. Okay, yeah, the car keys there. Yep, they're there. Okay, time to go. Okay, I'm finally done reading my brand new book. Leah, do you want to go do something good? Oh, sure. I want to do something cool. Okay, follow me. Okay, I'm gonna follow you. Come on, Leah. Okay, this better be good. It is. Maya, are you crazy? What do you mean we're gonna drive a car? We're gonna drive a car. You're not even 10 yet. You wanna drive a car? You're not even a teenager. Who said kids can't drive cars? I don't know. I think this is a bad idea. Scaredy cat, scaredy cat, scaredy cat, scaredy cat. I'm not a scaredy cat. Okay, let's do this. Since you called me a scaredy cat, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh my god, I think I heard my phone ringing. Oh my god, oh my god. It just woke me up, so it better be good. Hello, what do you guys need? Honey, come to the hospital right now. The kids, they're in the car. What do you mean the kids are in the car? Like, what do you mean the kids are in the hospital? Just come right now. I can't even hear you. What are you saying? Come to the hospital. The kids are in the hospital. Oh my god, okay, I'll be right there right away. Oh my god, okay. Hospital. You said that your dad said that your sister was in a car accident with Leah, so we're gonna have to go there with taxi because like they took both of their cars. No, I don't want to go to the hospital. No. Come on, we need to go. Your sisters are in the hospital. Okay.